So if your father is Zebulon, then you are Zebulon. No Issachar, no Mexican, you're not those names. If your father's Zebulon, then you're Zebulon. That's what La Biblia says.
This sort of mine inside of this battlefield called Babylon. What time is it? Wartime. What time is it? Wartime. This fugitive, this vagabond ain't never paid for his war crimes. Look, I don't wanna...
Hey Israel, what's going on? You watching and still haven't subscribed yet? Come on Israel, hit the button.
What's your name, bro?
Edgar.
Eliab?
Edgar.
Like Elian?
Anthony.
Oh, Antonio.
Antonio Simon.
Okay, do you speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Do you know any English?
A little.
You know a little English. So my question to you is, what do you subscribe to? Are you Mexican, or how would you say, what nation are you from?
Mexican. Mexicano.
You are Mexicano.
Mexicano.
All right. When you look on this sign right here, what does it say Mexican is? Right? Because Mexico has a rich history, right? Where are you from in Mexico?
Guanajuato.
Guanajuato. Right? How far is that from Guadalajara? Well, how far is that from there? Do you know the place in Mexico called Issachar? You know that place?
No.
Because there's a pyramid. There is a place in Mexico called Issachar, which gives you a hint of what tribe you will be called. You're not called Mexican. That's not biblical. Right? So when you look on here, you see Mexico, what's next to it?
That one?
Point to it.
Zebulun.
No, Zebulon is
Yeah.
you're from Guatemala. Are you from Guatemala?
My father?
Your father's from Guatemala.
Yeah, no. Sacher.
Issachar? Where? Let's point to it. Issachar. Issachar is Los Gente de Mexicanos, right?
Uh-huh.
That's who they are. The people of Mexico is from the tribe of Issachar. And we're going to read in the Bible that you know from your father. You said your father is...
Guatemala.
¿Tu padre es qué?
Guatemala.
¿Es Guatemala o México? Porque ahora tú es muy indeciso.
Guatemala. Yo soy mexicano.
Okay, but your father is from Guatemala. Okay, so point to where he's from Guatemala. Come back to the song. Where does it say Guatemala is from? Zebulon, right? So if your father is Zebulon, then you are Zebulon. You understand? I get, because they're so close, some of the nations, when you're dealing with Northern Kingdom, they think, oh, he's Mexican, No, you are what your father are. Read what you got, and I'm going to break it down real slow for you, okay? So you understand, okay? Dame atención, okay? Read.
This is the book of Numbers, chapter 1, verse 18. And they assembled all the congregation together on the first day of the second month, and they declared their pedigrees after their families.
So la Biblia dice, ¿qué es tu padre? Tú es también. So, tu padre, para ejemplo, tu padre es Zebulon, right? Porque la Biblia dice, ¿y qué? Tú es Zebulon. No Issachar, no Mexican, you're not those names. If your father's Zebulon, then you're Zebulon. That's what la Biblia says. Okay? So, you have to understand that we have biblical names. And it's after the house of our father. Sis, come close. You can come close.
Oh, I'm standing right here. I'm listening.
Come close. Or listen to what we got to say.
I am.
So if your father is Zebulon, then you're Zebulon. But we learn the difference, or these different doctrines, or these different names in captivity. De la tranta en mi gente en tu gente. Porque es no diferente, okay? It's importante tú tienes esta información, la Biblia say. It's important you have the information that this Bible says. Because if you don't, then you're going to keep calling yourself Guatemala and all these different things. Do you understand what happened to your people? Do you know anything about what happened to people from Guatemala?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes, it's low. No, do you understand what happened to your people?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have time to listen?
I'm not having too much time. I'm leaving.
Because
sorry.
slavery, the slavery that happened, this slavery didn't happen to just the so-called blacks. Everybody went into slavery that's from Israel. Get that in Daniel. That they were in captivity together. You know what I'm talking about? Because it's a popular misconception. They say what? Mino negro, right? They say all these different things. But that's not true. The house of Israel is all one big family that is in captivity. You understand? Este captivo es para mí y para ti también. Es para tu familia y para mi familia.
I know.
It's no diferente. But watch this. We're going to read in the Bible. Read.
This is the book of Jeremiah, chapter 50, verse 33.
No, I want in Daniel that Israel, they suffer transgression together.
All Israel, that's 9 and 11.
Yes, all Israel was oppressed together. Because we have to understand, through our oppression, that's how we got these different names. Through oppression, that's how we learn these different doctrines. Through oppression, that's why we think Jesus Cristo is un gringo. But no, he's black. Jesus Cristo is not white, he's black. But we learn those things in oppression. Listen to this, read.
This is the book of Daniel, chapter 9, verse 11. Yea, all Israel have transgressed thy law.
So toda la casa de Israel tiene trata, porque este people no tiene mandamientos. Este people no tiene leyes. Solo tiene leyes de este mundo, pero no leyes de este Biblia. Read again from the top.
Yea, all Israel have transgressed thy law, even by departing, that they might not obey thy voice.
En por qué nosotros, us, los gente de Israel no tienen leyes, es porque en tu vida, en tu mental, tú say Jesucristo is white. It's why you say Jesus Christ is white. That's why, like, in the families in Guatemala and Mexico, where they say they're Catholic, right? Huge Catholic demographic. Why? Because they don't read the Bible correctly.
Shalom, Israel. This is Bishop Nathaniel. I want you to know that you can view all our Sabbath classes live on IUIC TV. That's right, I said on IUIC TV. Download the app today. Shalom.
It's because nobody's teaching that Jesus Cristo is morado, no es blanco. See, mira, read it in Revelation, real quick. We're gonna read this and then we'll let you go. You got the flyer. Yeah, take a picture. Make sure you take a picture of both so you can compare. Because we're gonna read the correct one and then you can look at the fake one, which is this white man right here. You understand what I'm saying? Watch this. Read what you got.
The book of Revelation, chapter 1, verse 1. The revelation of Jesus Christ, which God gave unto him to show unto his servants things which must shortly come to pass.
Este Biblia say, este es el imagen de Jesucristo correcto, okay? Y ahora, este versículo, 14, read that.
This is the book of Revelation, chapter 1, verse 14. His head and his hairs were white like wool.
So sus cabellos and sus cabellas is white like wool. So you understand? Meaning that this man's hair is not correct. This man has woolly hair. Read what you got.
As white as snow. In his eyes was a flame of fire.
Sus ojos is fuego, rojas de fuego. Read, le.
In his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace.
Do you understand what the color of brass is? What color is brass? It's very similar to that image, yes. So we just read in the Bible that this can't be the image. Este imagen es falso. Es un falso doctrina. Pero esta es correcto. So when you go home, when you go anywhere, tell your family, listen, I know these guys, they're teaching the Bible correctly, and they read that Jesus Cristo is morado, no es blanco.
Across the earth, the prophets move. From city streets to distant lands, the message is the same. Israel must rise. Through every quest, every journey, the truth spreads. No border can contain it. No distance can silence it. Our nation lives in every moment. In joy, we celebrate marriages. In sorrow, we honor our dead. On the Sabbath, we gather as one. Families rejoicing together, bound by the commandments of God. Yet are we tried? From the stones in Kenya to the hatred in Montana, we endure as a soldier of the Lord. And still, the mission expands. On the airwaves, on the screens, in every nation under heaven, Israel's voice is heard. We build our communities. We raise our children in royalty. We restore what was broken. We clean what was defiled. We show the world who we are. This is Israel united in Christ. Nation in motion. Nation endured.